Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, so guys, we get to look at some choice items, some add-on spoilers, and some second spoilers for the plus bag, all for August. So, if I can remember, guys, I will timestamp these down in the description box or else in the comments. So, we got a bunch of spoilers to go through, guys. If you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more possible future BoxyCharm spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Jennifer Tobin. I hope I said that right. I probably butchered it, but if I did, I do apologize, Jennifer. Anyways, Jennifer says, woohoo! Yes, Jennifer, you are first, my love. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Now again, these are the choice items for the standard August Ipsy bag. So the first thing is the Orsa Beauty. This is the Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Next up is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. This is a watermelon balm with a natural lip tint. Next up is this Royal and Lane Nickel Neon Angle Contour Blush Brush. And then we see the Lotte London AM to PM eyeliner in the shade Sunburst. And then next is this Araceli, something like that, Beauty Jalisco Eye Single in the shade Sombrero. And then we see the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. Then we also see the IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream. Next up is the Bricio Hair Care. This is the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Cream and Kiwi Mega Moisture Mask. And then we also see the Sunday Riley Eye Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Also see the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And then last but certainly not least, we see this Buxom Mascara. So now let's get started on the Ipsy spoilers for Plus. Now I got a couple different spoilers. I got regular spoilers that just come out. I'll tell you the older spoilers that we already knew of, and then I'll show you the choice items. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the choice items. So the first choice item for Plus in August is the Gold Faden MD Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. Wow, what a mouthful, guys. That one about ran me out of breath. The next choice item is the Laura Geller Kajal Liner in the shade Bronze. And then another choice item is the Wander Beauty Brow Gel in the shade Clear. Next up is this Ciate London Watermelon Translucent Setting Powder. That is very interesting. And then the next choice item is the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush. And then the last choice item is the Estate Cosmetics and Bailey Sari and Venus Fling Eyeshadow Palette, which we've already seen this one. Now guys, if you missed out on the last spoilers for Plus, the first one is the Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Next is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shades Feminist, Shiro, and Lady Boss. And then, of course, the LaRousse Beauty 4-piece brush set. And then the 111 Skin ATP Cryo Booster. And guys, one of the regular spoilers, which I forgot about, so I'm sorry this is last, is the Cali C Better Being Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. So that is going to be a regular spoiler. That's not a choice item or anything like that. Right after we do Ultimate, I'm going to show you some Plus add-on spoilers. So let's go ahead and show the choice items and spoilers for the Ultimate bag. So the first item is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Then we have the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara in the shade Just Black. Then we have the Feel Beauty Vitamin E Balm. And then we have the, is it Payot? I think that's how you say that. Paris Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glace or something. Y'all, I'm not fancy, so I don't know those fancy words. And then next up is, again, this 111 Skin Cryo ATP. I don't know why this says Sports Booster and the other one said something else. Cryo Booster or or something. I don't know. I don't know the difference, y'all. I don't think there is a difference. Next is the Soapbox Coconut Milk Hair Mist. And then also the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush. And then last but certainly not least is the Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Alright guys, now I do have some add-on spoilers for you for August. Now these are the plus add-on spoilers. So, and of course this ain't all of them, but this is what we got so far. So the first add-on spoiler is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Next up is this Huda Beauty Bundle. Looks like one of her eyeshadow palettes, a lip liner, and 2 liquid lips. Next up is the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Protein Mask. And then of course the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. And guys, I believe I see it. Yep, that's it guys. So guys, let me know what you think about these choice items down in the comments section. Let us know what you picked. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Michelle C. Michelle says, can't wait. Hope you're feeling better, girl. Well, thank you so much, Michelle. I am feeling better. At least I'm not hurting. I'm just ready to get home. And Michelle, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave out a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. Guys, again, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you. Mariah, Steve, Anna, I really want to thank you guys for donating to my PayPal. You have no idea how much that helped out. And to those of you who watch my videos and are subscribed to my channel, I love y'all from the bottom of my heart, and I couldn't appreciate and be more grateful for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.